Today we're going to bring an outlet. This has a surge protector, of course, and it has it for 8 different connections, and it has for 3 USB type A's and 1 type C. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. But first, I want to let you guys know that the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's take a look at it first of all. Very elegant. It has plenty of space for actual boxes to connect in here. The thing I like about this is a USB type A. Of course, it tells you right here how many voltages and amps you're going to get in here. This is the smart USB type C that you connect in here, and 3 A's, all right? And like I said, it has 8 of them. Now, these 2 are distinguished because these are for the larger boxes of connection. These are for regular connections that you have. So you got your power on and off here. And then if you ever want to mount this to a wall, you can. In the back, there's mounting areas so you can mount this on it. This is very light, flexible. The cable itself, they give you a long extension cord cable in here so you could stretch it out and plug it in there. This is a little soft and also bendable, and it has also Velcro so you could just tighten it down if in case you got excessive cable too. So very simple, easy to use. This itself will last you for many years, especially if now that these days that people are requiring more additional USBs and your computers don't even have them sometimes. This is a great buy for that part. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.